literally within the first day, they were already people in the community on the Slack channel helping me to understand where I was going wrong and how to get to the next point. So within literally the first day, it was already like, wow, where has this been my entire life? Hi, my name is David. I am working out of Ottawa, Ontario, Canada, and I am currently working as a Python developer and a mathematician. So when I started this job, I literally only knew Python for about 2 weeks. I had picked it up, started teaching myself it because there was a job locally to me that I wanted to get. And so I learned enough Python to get my foot in the door. But of course, come day one, they already wanted me to do all these different rocket science types data analyzing things for them. And so I was like, oh my Lord, I'm going to need to join a community or find some people that I can reach out to help me with these Python questions and struggles I have. So the Real Python membership, you can either pay monthly or an annual fee. And really what it does is it gains access to a whole bunch of tutorials, articles, videos on the Real Python website. The really important thing is this Slack channel. On the Slack channel, there's a whole bunch of different sub-channels that you can discuss topic-specific things. You can talk about, job type things. You can talk about coding questions. You can talk about technologies. And the individuals on these channels are from beginner to super advanced. And the answers that people give you, people put thought into it, and they want to help you understand it, not just to write some code. And so it's like, it's really, you're learning a lot from members in real time. Well, with me kind of starting off from scratch with Python when I started my job, mostly everything was a bit of a struggle at first. And there was a lot of aha moments, you'd say. And I was tasked with doing complex things. For example, I needed to create a containerized environment and then put it up on AWS. People in the Real Python community were able to know exactly what I was trying to do because they've done it before and were able to help show me the steps to take to get to that point so that I wouldn't fail, so I wouldn't waste time, so that I would be successful. So I could go over dozens of cases in the last year of having struggles and aha moments from me reaching out to the community saying, hey, this is what I'm struggling with. And within a few minutes, someone or a group of people replying, helping me to get to where I need to go. It's made me much more confident in doing things that I haven't done before because I can reach out to people and look for assistance. It has made me feel more comfortable in my own programming skill sets regarding Python. Like I said, we have everyday struggles as developers, and sometimes we get caught on those struggles and too much time or stress or anxiety can come into play, where if you're able to move on to the next step sooner than later, it really has an impact on your own sanity, your own well-being, and how much you're enjoying your day-to-day job. You know, being a part of the Real Python community is a total relief because I never feel alone. And I guess that's the biggest thing is I'm not working in a team. I need at times to be able to reach out to people who already have understanding of the technologies that I'm working in. And since there's such a wide array of individuals in the Real Python community, there's always someone there that I can reach out to that can help me in a timely manner. For sure, I would recommend Real Python 10 on 10 for all the reasons that I've been mentioning, that being that there's a community there where you can feel that you're a part of something, that there are articles, tutorials, videos that give you really good insight on how to use Python for various different types of things that you may want to do.